Welcome to another episode of This Isn't My Garage. Today we're going to work on a Crown Victoria 1998 model. The project is going to be the exhaust system. We're going to do a muffler delete. A lot of muffler delete videos out there. A lot of guys are just cutting the muffler and just doing the straight pipe right off the exhaust up to the muffler, while I am actually going to go and do a fabrication on the exhaust where the exhaust is going to come out to the side of the vehicle versus coming directly to the back. So here's the Crown Victoria 1998 model. As you can see, she's actually on. She's running. Very quiet. There's the exhaust coming out the back. Okay, the plan here is to go ahead and cut this off right here. Cut the other side of that muffler. Cut this hanger. Leave the existing hanger on the car. Remove this muffler. Run the exhaust from here and run it out to the side here versus going straight to the back. Rule of thumb is you should always remove your battery terminals. Remove your battery terminals from the battery whenever you're doing any welding or electrical work to the vehicle. big. They weigh at least, I don't know, 5 to 10 pounds each. So the Crown Vic just went on a diet. Cut some pieces off from the existing exhaust, and we're gonna go ahead and do a template right quick with the existing exhaust. It's real simple. Only thing we're doing is deleting the muffler now and taking it from there. You don't have to buy no pipes. Alright guys, so as I remove this muffler and the rest of the exhaust, I'm actually using this side of the exhaust to do my fabrication and my custom exhaust with. But you have to cut it right here versus in the middle. You should cut it near the curve area, so you could use this exhaust over here. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate what I mean about you can use your existing exhaust to do your custom exhaust. You can see the existing exhaust underneath the car. I'm going to take the end piece of the exhaust system and I'm going to place it right here. It comes all the way to this side. Just as so. This is where it'll be, right here on the side. I didn't let you guys know, but I will mention it now. I bought 2 pipes yesterday for this exhaust setup, but I am not going to use them 2 pipes. I am going to challenge myself to use the existing exhaust to do this project. I will not be using them 2 pipes. Keep that in mind. I will show you at the end of the video them 2 pipes again, sitting in the same spot. I deal with more freaking rust. I never dealt with so much rust in my life. All these old ass cars.